Yo, yo, this is Nomifactory hard mode, part 16, I think. Yeah, we need to increase here the number of um, circuits that we have, right? So this is why we need some SMD transistors. We have now some gallium, finally. And also we should have some titanium, yeah. Extreme voltage. Yeah, what we need. We should also do an extractor, I think. That is, I think, one of the last things that we need, right? Yeah. So let's place this for now over here. I think we can do like 10 more, right? Because yeah, we would need more sulfuric acid. Um, let's get some more gallium. I think we need, first of all, we also need the transformer, right? So we need some L picks, I think. Do we have them? No, this is a UL pick, right? Here we have some rubber rings. Yeah. These are just the stuff that we need. Yeah, this is for the stainless steel. We most definitely need some big aluminium wires. I think it's 8, yeah, 8 times 4. Let's get this. Of course, then we can do 16. Holy shit, that was fast. No, holy shit. I think we need aluminium wire, right? Okay, so I think we need in total. Yeah, let's do the L picks first. How many do we need? Okay, only one. Yeah, we want to do the fluid storage stuff. Therefore, we need a lot of EV circuits. That's kind of the problem. That's why we should do, I think, some more. Yeah, maybe 16 or so. This should be 60. Don't we have another one? No. What? We should have at least 3. Where's the third stainless steel drum? What? It's also not here. Where's the last stainless steel drum? How much do you need? You need 100, so this is just 26. Do we get anything good? Yeah, some magnetite. Okay. Yeah, I don't know where the last one is. It's kind of weird. I also don't think... Ah, it's here. I'm just a little bit blind. Okay, let's get some water so that we can do some distilled water, right? Hello? Yeah, so let's do the high voltage transformer first. We don't need any, what do we need for those guys? We need aluminium cable, okay. Aluminium cable. Ah, this is where we need, yep. All right. How many do we need? I think we need quite some, right? So 1, 2. This is 3. Yeah. Ah, okay. So we need quite a lot. Okay, then let's do the single one first, and then we can. We need at least 3. Um. Yeah, these guys, they need to go. Okay. I think we. Yeah. Ah, no, we need 4. Dude. Or like more like this. And also we need a fluid solidifier. Let's take all of them. Okay. Should be possible. Yeah. Where is it though? Yeah. Now we need a chest. Okay. I think we need some more iron 3 chloride, right? What? I can't count. Oh my god. Oops. Okay, we put this also here. I had a question as well, but now we need this now and then this now. So the high voltage transformer is basically done. And now we need 2 steel or 1 steel. Yep. Where are we looking here? And we need a 4. And how much gold? 1, 2. Yeah, I think we need some more copper. All right. Some more rubber. Okay, this is upstairs. Okay, we can do like one more time. Where's my sulfur, dude? Oh my god. Yeah, it should be fast. Okay, now we need a pump. An 8 aluminium. $16 gold. How much do we need? 3, okay. What else? A small gold spring. And right? Crazy. So the only thing that's left is now an HV pump, I think, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's get the tin. Yeah, we just place it here. I don't know if the we also need a motor, right? Yeah, no, it's okay. It's an, oh my god, it's an MV electric pump. Oh man, don't we have some copper cables left? I was a little bit confused. And also, hold on, where did we put those? Huh? Yeah, we need copper nickel. All right. We need 2 rings and a cable. But I think we still need steel rod, right? Should be. Something? No, nothing's missing. Okay, now we can take this out and get some lubricant. Okay. This is chlorine. Okay. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we need to do more iron 3 chloride. That means we need to get more. Chlorine. Let's do that again. And again. So that we have like 84. Yeah, so that it can run through. Yeah, we need to do so much or so many circuit boards. That is crazy. Okay, so but we have kind of a crucial thing missing. Still. And that is we need neodymium. Because okay, let's first we should craft all of the circuits, right? For that, I would say we craft a little bit of yeah, no. We need more transistors, right? We put over here. For SMD transistors, we need to find a near wire. Okay, I don't think that we have anything. We also should do. Hello. So let's calculate how many we need. We need at least 4. We need more, but now for the kind of the assembly of the normal LV1s, normal EV1s. So here this is 4, and this thing we need at least. So we need 2, right? I think 6, right? Because we need 1 here. And this one once and this one once. No, then 7, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. No. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, okay, we need 9. 9 of these guys means we need 18 and therefore 36 integrated processors. That's quite a lot. Okay. Yeah, this is why we need more. Wait, do we have? Yeah, we have like 10 left. Okay. You're done. Okay. Okay, 36. That means we need 36 of those guys. Furthermore, we need 36 times 4. I hope I have that. 36 times 4. 144. So minus 128, so 16. Okay. Same thing apparently here, right? And these guys are currently processed. Dude, can you go in there? Thank you. Maybe we also need more. And then at last we need. Yeah, we need more redstone. Yeah, I think we should process them like this. The magnetite dust can then go over here. This is just then to smelt that stuff. Okay. How much copper do we have? There is no other recipe for them, right? No, it's all washing and then into centrifuge. How many do we need? Actually, we need like 32. That's perfect. Because these guys can basically hold. So we have 4 minutes of EV power. We need to multiply it by 4, so 16 minutes of HV power, meaning, and then times 16. So that should be our power. Our power draw. Yeah, I think in the meantime. What we maybe should be doing is actually finding some neodymium that we can then process. Because I don't think, right, we don't have here any. Oh no, we have. Okay, at least a stack we can do. I hope that the tin is enough for that. But we should have no more transistors. This is only 41, so again 16, right? Okay, we've gotten 10k. Yeah, I think we need at least 18. So we need a little bit more. Now we can, I think, store it over here. Okay, let's get the neodymium, right? So, I don't think that we have anything crazy left that we cannot do, right? We should be able to do the assembler. Here, this is just some rubber. Here we need some Kantha wire. Okay, this is fair. Aluminium wire or aluminium cables, titanium rods. Everything is planned in there. Here as well. Yeah, no, we should be able to do everything. So, Neo. Okay, it's more to the east. Southeast. Um, hmm. Wait, is it? How do we do that? Yeah, no. We could get like a miner or something like this. Really, nothing else. Yeah, the problem is the lava. Like, I hope there's no solid ground. This is Bastner Monatszeit. Oh no, we have to go. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Okay. I don't know what is in what is in Bastner Line? Yeah, some neodymium, okay. Raw earth. But there's cerium, right? And okay, fluorine, yeah. Yeah, this is why we should have this is why we should have a magnet. Okay. Yeah, let's take a little bit more and then we can see what we need to do with that. Right. Yeah, we have like 14 neodymium. This gives us at least kind of a stack, right? Yeah, not quite. Give like 2 more. Then we have a 16. Yeah, the thing is we need to do some more processing now. That's actually one of the most important ones. Oh no, my portal is somewhere over there. Hello. Dude, what is all this galena, dude? Oh my god. Oh my god. We can't put anything anywhere. Isn't this? No, this actually not. Wait a second. Diamantite, banded iron, sapphire. Yeah, let's throw that away. We don't need that. Yeah, but I think we need way more tin now in terms of here. This is why we need an extractor and now mixer we also need. But yeah, we would get some raw earth, right? How much more do we have? Not enough. Okay. Yeah, we most definitely need more circuit points. Later on, the cost is actually reduced when we look at these guys. Here, so we always I think need 4 for the plastic circuit ones. What we're waiting on. Okay, this guy, right? To get some raw earth, right? Yeah. So raw earth is basically cadmium, which is good, neodymium, of course, samarium, and yttrium. So Therium and Lanthanum is kind of useless. I can directly say that. And here we need some, yeah. How many do we have, by the way? Add a nichrome, we need to... but this only works with like 2, so we need in total 8, I think, right? So 8 combustion engines here. And maybe you also set up like a an easy oil processing chain. The one that we basically have downstairs. Just with an HV. Just with an HV distillery and... okay. So this should be then almost done. Let's begin here a little bit. Yeah, we should, the next one should be here, this guy. Again, the raw earth is kind of only important for later. You could do on HV. I think you get some good ratios, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah. I think the... yeah, we have so much rutile, that's actually crazy. And one rutile is basically 1 titanium, right? Oh. Which is quite good. How much neodymium do we need? I think only 5, right? So we need 10 motors. Yeah. So 5 is totally fine. We need to set up now a lot of infrastructure now that we can finally begin with auto crafting and the likes. Yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to. Maybe we have to do more iron 3 chloride. So this guy needs to go here. This one over here. Oh, come on. 93 seconds. Okay. That's crazy. And vanadium we need for batteries, and then I think the point is, or the problem is a little bit, the next one is when medium. Then we have Naquadria. They usually don't have that much. Like this only have 655 million EU, whereas I think this is at PM, yeah, it's like 4 billion. But we usually use them for these guys here. So this is where the stuff then gets really interesting. Okay, this guy. Yeah. How's it looking over here? Okay, we have way too much tin. Way too less tin. That's a little bit of a problem. Let's get a little bit the tin. I wanted to get something else from downstairs. How long? How many can this hold? 16 can. We need one more nickel. Okay. Let's get this done here real quick. Have the tin here. Okay. We need. And the stone dust can go. Yeah, later on, I think we will have no. Huh. This can go through here because you this guy uses quite some energy, right? Let's look how 3-3 already. Okay. How many do we need? We said 18, right? Um. 18 times 4, 72. Two stacks plus. And here we also need 2 stacks plus 16. Yeah. Let's grab the 16 here so that we can make another stack. We don't have any, right? No. Valid. No. Do we need? I think we need 10, right? Or do we? Wait. 4 for this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We actually need 11. Okay. So this means 8 more. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, we have a little bit too less redstone. But 4. But yeah, we get quite some cinnabar, which is not bad. Cinnabar is basically 500 mercury in a centrifuge. I don't think that you... Yeah, okay, you can do it to cinnabar, which... Yeah, later on you need that, but I wouldn't worry about this right now. Yeah, we should get quite some. We still have that centrifuge neodymium left. Okay, but then let's do the math, right? 8 CPUs. 8 times 4 should be 32. Yeah, but I think we don't have enough inductors, right? And we should also need... no, we need 16, I think. Right. But yeah, processing with byproducts is like really good. But again, you can only do it in HV. Or the thing is, you get some chance output, especially for the washer and the thermocentrifuge. So you could kind of argue, okay, this is worth it. Yeah, we need a... Sorry. We need an HV extractor. These are actually, I think, the only 2 things that are really missing. Extractor and solidifier, right? Then we could do, in theory, some auto crafting. If we wanted to. Yeah. Oh, we have some purified ruby. No, we need these guys. Here we go, right? Okay. We still need like 16 or so. Six. Oh no, maybe not. But yeah, we need more for the future, I think. Anything else here? No. All right. But yeah, we also get some glowstone, which is kind of nice. And yeah, we're processing here more redstone. What? And I think I need to get some more. Oh, we still have some distilled water. Yeah. Nope. Yeah. But the point is a little bit, we are quite near auto crafting, like fully fledged auto crafting without anything crazy. I think we can actually get it in the next episode. Because this episode I wanna set up basically everything. What? So we need now an ME terminal. No, there's a fluid pattern terminal. No, there's a pattern terminal. We need a crafting terminal. For this, we need some calculation and so on. Now for these guys here, we need some SMD diodes, right? Because we don't have platinum. We said we wanted to have 11, right? So are they done? Yeah. So, it should be then here 44. 11 times 16. 16 divided by 8. It's 22, so we need 11 and 11. That's a little bit. And then we also need diodes, right? Diodes we craft. How many do we need? 44, right? So the whole thing 11 times. Yeah. 11. We also don't have that much. Okay, 44. No, it's a chest. And now we need 22 of these guys. So we need 22 ender pearls. And now comes the interesting part. I think we should have enough. Right? We need 22 gold. We need to do some priority key schedule, maybe not. All right. I had a neodymium, it's not bad. It should be like yeah, let's put the vanadium first back. And then we can run the centrifuge redstone. Okay. But I think we have done everything now, right? Yeah, we need to just collect everything. Yeah, still be doing these cheap or these not SMD diodes. But I don't know if they are actually better. Because in terms of gallium, I think. So here you're paying basically 1 gallium, right? For 64 SMD diodes. And when you're doing, yeah, you get, I think, much more out. But of course, they're a little bit cheaper to produce, right? Or, yeah. Yeah, we also need to do kind of here some stuff. The cinnabar can then also be run through here. Yeah, it shouldn't be that long. What can we do in the meantime, by the way? Yeah, we can do the. We should have now the neodymium here, right? Now let's go actually for the stuff. I think we need 6 here. At least 10 here. 2 here. And then I think we need some cables, right? Some aluminium cables. So
Attention. You have moved into a universe that never existed. Last century will accompany you. Have a nice trip.
yeah, we still need to put them through the one thing. Yeah, I think we need. We also need Kantha, right? So 10 times 4 is 40 Kantha. And for Kantha, we need Chrome. That's a bummer. 4 divided by 3 is 14, so we need 14 Chrome. Let's actually try and see if this works. How much Chrome we get here. And then we can put it maybe through the sifter downstairs to get some Chrome, right? Otherwise, we unfortunately have to get a little bit more ruby. But no. Yeah, this would get here also some. Okay, we have 5. It's not bad. Almost half of it. Because yeah, here's quite some. We have 4 Kantha left. Voltorinos. Yeah, I don't like the recipe for EV circuits. Like the initial one. Okay, we should have here some polarized neodymium stuff. How much cable do we need? 1, 2. They know. They didn't know that way. Okay. So let's do then the 2 times first. Well, we need at least, I think, 20 again here. And then only the confirm wires are missing. How much is here? 5k is not bad, I think. Okay, how's the sifter performing? Yeah, I don't think that good. I think we need a little bit more ruby, but that's just my impression. Okay. We have quite some left. Yeah, we have like 1.1 buildings. So let's centrifuge that out real quick. The rest can be done in here. Because I think... yeah, no, I think you get way more from... You only get like 2. That is crazy low. Okay, 1 more is at least in. You just like nothing, holy shit. We have 8 chrome, we need 14. Oh man, I didn't think of the... I didn't think of the console wires. Okay, how many do we need here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Should be doable. And it actually sells quite nicely. Because... Okay, we need like 6 more chrome. Do we have any ruby left? Let's ask this question first. Nope. But we have some bauxite left. Crazy. And also some purified emerald and so on. Yeah, let's quickly. How many do we need? Yeah, I think the sifter recipe is like on average you should get more. That's at least what I. If you're interested in just. Okay. Let's get like I don't know. What? What is this, dude? Yeah, how much is 16? 16 times 4 is a stack, right? Yeah, I think out of a stack we should get some chrome. Okay, perfect. We have now a little bit more, but don't worry, we will set up some LV and MV miners because we have some combustion engines, right? And then when we have kind of a fully fledged processing line, we kind of have right now. The only thing that's left is the sifter and the centrifuge. No, but when we have this and also an electrolyzer, then we kind of good to go. What can we throw away? Charcoal pirate is not that interesting. Yeah, know what? Okay, these guys should be done now, right? That's actually perfect. Yeah. Because now, and this is, I think we got it just with. We wanted to look at Kantha, right? Kantha, so we need like 14 more. You know what? No. We have like here 1,000. And we also need, I think, some aluminium, right? Aluminium, we have also quite some. And we didn't even process everything that gives us aluminium, or would give us aluminium. Yeah, then we centrifuge that stuff. Yeah, look at this. Oh, man. Okay, perfect. These also got through here. Yeah, we need to do some more. I need it actually. No. But wouldn't be this one here better? We don't get the stuff and it doesn't take so long. Okay. Yeah, 14 iron dust. Almost 14 of these guys. So we can then finally put them in the mixer. Thank you. Dumb question. It needs the one. Okay. I'm not sure about these guys actually. if we actually need them as, but I think so. The crafting and so on. Or what this needs. Yeah, we need to do then some LV circuits. But I think this is quite easy. Yeah. And we also need a canning machine. This is one of the biggest things that we need. Now I think we can do some lapis, right? Lapis. Yeah. Maybe we also should get on bigger. No. What the fuck? Because lapis is quite a lot. But these guys, we can put them here now. Yeah, we need way more, but that's not good. Okay. Yeah, quite. I think so. Yeah. But yeah. Oh, we need to wait now. This takes like 45 seconds. I think in the meantime we want to do actually some. Okay. Oh no. Wasn't the polyeth? Hello, man. Don't we have a pump? Yeah. But lapis is also a sifter recipe. Okay, how much? We have some. We have some left, right? Some for H-Ream. How many do we need? I think we need 6 per, so 12 would be kind of the optimum. In terms of because we need a sifter and an extractor, right? We need more, but 8. 8 times 4, right? Yeah. So let's get like some red alloy. Extractor needs a pump and a... Okay. Yeah, this uses like nothing. But we still have quite some raw earth left. Lazurite is, by the way, when we macerate that, it's the best one because you don't get any fluid. But yeah, lapis is quite crazy in terms of what you get, like the amount. Okay, yeah. Now we have like 20 chrome again. So that then this can here process, and we have some chrome. Yeah, chrome will be one of the big things that we need for HV. I can spoil it at least. Okay. How's this going here? So we need 4 times 4 is 16. That's, oh my god, that's really close. Yeah, but we just have to do some zinc then. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 here. And 16 here. Should be also in terms of, yeah. Why do we need lapis? Lapis we also need for the exquisite. I don't know if you want to do these, by the way. And then these ones. And you also have this set. You can store like your 524 buckets apparently. But yeah, the question is a little bit, do you actually need this? Okay, this continues here. Okay, perfect. Oh, dude, we have like 24 left. Oh my god, and we need 40. Oh man. Yeah, we should have graded it up, I think, at least to HV. Or to EV at least. Actually to EV. But yeah. I think I could actually pause recording until then, right? Oh no, we should be able to do now the sifter and so on. Okay. Sifter and extractor, right? These are the things that we miss the most right now. Now we also need to do a little bit more. Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I think that's right. Let's count them with 1. So 1, 2. 3, 4, so we need like 3, right? But we can only do 2 at a time or 4 at a time. Okay. We need silver cable. How many? 8. And 4 times 4 is 16. Yeah, so also need to. But yeah, we also need. That's why I had the extractor here. And the silver is still down. Okay. Yeah. Also need some stainless steel. I think we need like 3 pistons, right? Yeah. It was 5, I think, per, so 15. Okay, let's first do the sifter. This is where we need some. We need 2, right? So 16. 16 divided by 4 is should be 4, yeah. I think we need like 2 more cables, right? So we can finally remove those. And if we wanted to, oops. Yeah, we need to do here something about this. So, bro, it's really crazy. Extractor, right? Okay, we need like 2 glass. But we don't have any sand. Who would have thought? 1 is enough. And the only thing that's left for us now to do is we need a pump. Sorry. Okay. How do you do a pump? An HV pump. 3 stainless steel. I think 4 for the motor, right? What else? Steel screw. Do we have here some? No. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Why don't we have any steel screws? Hmm. Screws is not the problem. Now we need bolts. Okay, yeah, we need like 2 more rings, right? Uh, okay, it's kind of weird. We can put it here, I think. Yeah. Still sifting, still no exquisite. But we can craft that, by the way. So don't worry about this. And you're still going, right? Okay. Hacking finally, dude. Do we have enough energy? Yeah. Should be okay. Yeah. Yeah, let's wait for this. How much more is there? Yeah. We can put like 1 more lapis right here. This is again lazurite, which gives us some silicon and aluminium, which is quite good. And we have now finally some more redstone. Okay. Let's wait until here is everything done. Yeah, the extractor we can now not throw it away, but not use it anymore. Yeah, I want to get into auto crafting, dude. Auto crafting needs this one, and this one. When we have this, then we're basically good to go. But yeah, this is just some wood here. This is where we need some flint, which is kind of. But usually we have, in terms of auto crafting capabilities, we don't need that much. I mean, like placing stuff in a crafting grid, usually. We just need 40, by the way, so let's get it. So finally, woo! How's our sifter doing? Oh, we have 1 exquisite lapis. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I think it's in tick range finally. Okay. Yeah. Now it's time for the pistons, right? Yeah. Now we need the robo arms, right? And then the EB assembler. This one here. So now it should get... Yes, perfect. Okay. Fuck off. Yeah, now we need these guys. How many do we need? Yeah, we have 6, right? So 3 times. Okay, we've 1 and more. Right? What kind of lens do we need for that? We need a glass lens. So glass lens. How do we get that? Glass pane. Either, yeah. I think we just fluid solidify some liquid glass. It should be if we could, okay. If we could. Oh man. That's a bummer, dude. Oh my god. Okay. Can't really place it here. Oh, but we can place it here. Yeah, that's... by the way, you can continue, right? Yeah, we can do more rubber with that. But yeah, glass lens is like a very important thing. Can we need 6, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so we need 5 times 2, so 10. But yeah, the lapis is also like kind of very important. Or not kind of very important. It is very important. So, no. Let's put you guys in there. This guy can also fuck off. Now comes the interesting part. We need 4 times 3, 12. So we need to get 6 of you guys. Is this? Yeah, this is status. Okay. 6. 6 sand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe 1 more. So these guys should be almost done. We also need yeah, that's where we need storage bus and quite a lot of like some energetic alloys, some manganese phosphide. And we don't have any circuit boards anymore. Fucking hell, dude. Okay, you can put this in here. Yeah, it doesn't get better. As the circuit boards that usually kill you. Also me right now. Okay, I think these guys should be done. Yeah. Okay. Now we need some gold plates. Let's do at least 16. So, because I don't think that you can get them any other way, right? No. No. Hold on. Yeah. No. If you want, you on the forge, my dude. Yeah. No, down here. We also need then like we don't have anything now. 16 over here, which we can process over here. And now we get like 4, dude. Oh man, I hate this game sometimes. Yeah. Yeah, the thing is we need now a lot of circuit boards, right? Oh, we have 6 printed silicon. Yeah. I think 2 at least of those, right? For here. Here we only need these guys. Here we also need some calculation. I don't want to do the the crafting. No, I just want to have the ME terminal. I think it's a little bit easier to handle. We need some glass. Let's do some glass then. No. The problem is we are like so close to how do you say it? So close to no. I think we should do 3, right? Basically, we're really close to auto crafting. That I don't want to invest like that much time in gathering resources anymore, because we will do that then later. That's kind of the idea. Wait a second, can we do also? Because I think the Certus squads is a little bit. Hold on. Oh no, okay. We can only do it that way. Okay. And it's forced the other way around. Yeah, so here we have 32. I think it's 10, right? 10. No. 10 get us far. 10 times 250, yeah, should be. Yeah, we need those. Okay, then that's. I think I would do like 8, right? LE 8. 8 LV circuits. So. 16. And then we don't have any red ally, dude. Oh man. No, come on. No, no, we don't. No, man. We just need fine copper wire, man. Oh, we have like 6. Oh, we need 16. Yeah. But again, this isn't the West. Let's get this out of here. We didn't do this one, right? No. It should be this one. Yeah, but we need a robot. Yeah, we need to do more iron 3 chloride. Bummer. But yeah, now let's actually get a terminal here. By the way, we're completing these quests here. We already have that everything here. Yeah, Mi controller, we also have that. Okay, how many do we need? We need like 3, right? Let's craft like 3. So that we can finally then do or have these guys. Oh, we need a lot of engineering. We need like that twice, so we need like 4 engineering. 6. Okay, and then we need the ugliest of them all. This one here twice. How many flawless emeralds do we have? I hope so. Okay. Then we need some electrum rods. Hold on. Hell yeah. That's what you find in the depth of your storage. I think it should be 8, right? And then we need like 2. Yeah, I think this one can now go over here. 1, 2. 8. 8. 8. And this should also be 8, yeah. Anything else that we're currently doing? No. Except for these guys, right? That is what we have now. And then we only need like we still need I think this one, right? So now the pattern terminal. Just the normal pattern terminal. This is where we need a first of all an ME terminal. Okay. One more of these guys. Yeah. Can we now do the sensors, right? Then yeah, we need these. We should have 3, but we should wait until. Okay. It kind of works. It kind of works. Okay, perfect. So we need patterns now. We need an HV. And I think we can't do that, right? Yeah. Okay, how much iron 3? We need iron 3 chloride, right? Yep. Then let's go. Where is my oxygen? My hydrogen. So. Everything is full. Okay. That's my hydrogen. And then we can do it like once more. All right. Okay. Perfect. We wait now until should be my hydrogen here. Yeah, we need to automate basically the whole chain now, or like the most important part is circuits. When we've automated circuits, then we basically are I don't want to say home free, but pretty close to finish. Because yeah, that's basically the biggest obstacle that we need to do. Okay, perfect. We need these guys now. So what is this? I think we actually will. Yeah, I think this should be enough, right? When we at least cut that. So we need 32 plus 8. And this one here, okay, so we need kind of 2. 40 divided by 40 divided by 6 is 7. Yeah, god damn it. Okay, but I still need don't I have some? Yeah, should be. Let's cut them and What do I need to do for these guys? Nothing. Okay. Yeah, 42, right? Yeah. I don't need this. How are we crafting them now? I hate this game sometimes. I really have to say. We need now one HV circuit, right? It should be. Right, we need 4 for one. Yeah. 2. 8, 8, 8, and luckily also 8. Hmm? Because we have the extractor now. How dare you? No. Actually perfect. This is 4. Okay, we could have done like 2, right? Nothing else now. 4 then we need to fluid solidify like that's the empty one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is my mambo number 5. Fluid solidifier is also 1. And then what is on top there? Silver. Yeah, at some point we have like a lot of silver, I can tell you that. Let's do the pattern. Pattern is also something that we craft or will craft like at a flute discredit sizer. We also need that's where these 2 are coming in. And no. Yes. And then this guy, right? What do we still? I totally forgot. You still need a fluid. You still need a pattern terminal. Like this guy. Maybe actually this. But yeah, you need a packaged auto for. But we still need this one for like, let's say, completeness. How hard would this be? Actually, it would be possible. Let's do it. Because I think we have everything that is necessary. Let's get like, dude, what the hell, man? With you guys. We need some more glass as well. Is this thing hot glass, right? Yeah. Man. Don't do that. Okay. The question is a little bit, do we want to try to craft that stuff now or not? This one here. We need like 2 interfaces. But it should be possible, right? Okay. Come on, dude. Yeah, the lapis we actually need to cut. That's kind of the point. It's, no, okay, we can't do that, but yeah, we need to do more. We need to do more RAM. Okay. So basically, how this works now. Let's first of all do these. Put these guys down here. Bro, Kantha is really a bitch. Holy shit, dude. Yeah, we need to. I don't want to say fix it, but we need to increase our power output. Most definitely. Yeah. So we need like. Okay, I think we still have some calcium phosphide left here, and also here. Doing no. But yeah, the fluid discreticizer will be kind of the last thing that I want to do today. I think it will be I don't want to say difficult, but we need way more. But yeah, until the auto crafting, there is quite some stuff to do. But again, it's okay. We have these two guys. Then we have 8 here. We need now at least one. Oops. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, now how many do we get out of there? 4. I think we need 2, right? That's a bummer. I would need like 5 more, 10 more. Or wait a second, isn't the appetite maybe something? Appetite is also, it's 9. Okay, what do we do? Because we need like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So times 2 is 8. So yeah, we need like 4 phosphate. We have some left. Okay, where did we have the calcium phosphate? Okay, out there. Let's get. And let's get it real quick. Yeah, that's a little bit the thing. Really that deep, dude? Holy shit! How much do we need? Yeah. So we have, yeah. Let's get like, I don't know, 8 or so. Should be enough, hopefully. Yeah, later on we can easily process that, or should be easily. We should be able to easily process that, because this is also like we want to then upgrade this stuff for EV like pretty quickly. But then on Ivy we want to do the multi-block machines for that, so then we have really some parallelism, which is then really good for the thing is we also need some motors now. I think in total quite some. No, 3, 4 for this side, 6, yeah. Still going, yeah. Then we need 12 of you guys. Okay, yeah, we need more. Yeah, this is more. 6 times 4 is 24. It should be 12. Let's hope we can, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay. 6. But we need 2 pistons, right? Yeah. No. Yeah. And we don't have enough cable. How many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. No, we need the robo arm. We should have these guys, right? So, the last thing that we need is 2 pumps, right? Why do we have this? Yeah. I'm an idiot. Pumparinos. 6. Oops. Do we have some bronze screws left? Well, perfect. And we also need 2 copper cable. Otherwise, 1, 2, 5, 6. Yeah. We should have everything. Okay, now we need like 5 lapis plates. 5 of these guys. Yeah, this should be enough. Yeah, we need now these guys. So we need to crush 2 of you. And then pretty easy, we just need to do this and this. Then we can do this. We also have the pumps, right? So yeah, the only thing is the LV generator. 2, 4. We should have also 2 of you guys. Hello. Yeah, the only thing is missing is the. Oh my god. What? Oh man. What? But yeah. I think if we have like two main things left is the centrifuge and the fluid solidifier. But next time we will go a little bit on a bigger hunt to get some more RAM and also get some more like CPUs. I think is fine, but also more plastic circuit boards. By the way, we should be able to get some. Should be 20, right? So when we centrifuge that on LV, we should get like 4 or 8, and then we need 5. Oh my god, dude, I cannot calculate. Or should we actually go for the appetite? Which gives you like 3 phosphor. Oh, we even get some phosphor. What? No. Oh man. As takes like 12 seconds, dude. Oh my god. Speed running, by the way. No, I don't know what you. You only get like phosphate, which is like. Okay. This doesn't give us phosphate, right? So how many do we need? We said here 8, right? So 4. We need like 20 phosphate. We have 8. Okay, like 5 more. Yeah, we need like 5, yeah. Hello? Okay, this is 4. Let's get it. Yeah, the LV generator is. We also need an ender pearl. Didn't notice. But yeah. Yeah, these the gems we should usually cut them. So just showing you gem. That's what I want to show. Like yeah, these are here also gem, right? But if you go, so this one, for example, we need. I don't know why they didn't change this one here. I maybe change it manually to have it still the sulfuric acid stuff, but you can't craft that. I don't know what is happening there. And this one, for example, you don't need. So this is what when you actually not get it from a sifter, or no, if you actually get it from here, you can like immediately turn it into this one. So thank you. What do we have to mix? Or and then we just burn it, and then we should get this one here. Yeah, it takes just like 25 seconds. But next time, what we also could do is craft another distillery, chemical reactor, and electrolyzer to have some naphtha production, like automatic naphtha production. Trinium plated excavator. Tier 8 now. Gives a Darmstadt and Duluzite with some Naquara and some really neutron reflectors and a K shot. Yeah. No, what I wanted to say, there are some. So for example, also this one. No. Which one actually needed? Is it really only almandine? And yeah, like later for this guy here, by the way, we need some. But I think it's really only the sapphire apparently wasn't it? Where's the appetite? You also need. Basically here. Oh, crafting core. You really need to do that. Oh my god. But yeah. Okay. I know sapphire you need. Someone was lying to me. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, you need almandine, sapphire. You need nothing. Black quartz is different. Stabilized uranium, right? I don't know why this one here is an argon gas though. And then appetite. Yeah, perfect. Let's go. Yeah, whatever. We actually need it like this. LV fuel generator. And we have the fluid discretizer. Yeah, maybe I think we put it over here. Because now, if we would have any fluids, we can easily craft with them. But yeah, this is, I think, it for now. Next time, what we need to do is we need to craft a 16K. Nice one. So this one here. That's where we need quite some stuff. So some LV circuits. I don't think that we can actually do that, right? Now we have 7, so we need like 2 more, I think. And then also this one here, of course, right? But I think we can actually do that now. Because I think we need like 2 hulls here. So 8 is acceptable. This is the last thing, really the last thing. Yeah, just quickly put that into here. Plate it, and then you can easily do that. But yeah, the thing is, I just want to have like 1 ME drive. Everything, everything should be kind of like every every useful material could be in more or less a huge container, so a super chest. So this is what we need to craft, or will craft a lot of times, and also the super tank. Basically everything that we need to store for crafting will go into a super tank. But yeah, that's just kind of the for this one here. I think, yeah, for here we need quite some stuff, right? We need to craft polyethylene. We need to also then extrude that. We need steel plate, bending machine. Then of course crafting with molecular assembler. Then we need to craft LV circuits and also a pump, but the pump is actually quite easy. We need to do tin cables, so tin wires, tin cables. Then we need to craft bronze and then bronze flute pipe, tin bolts and then tin screws, tin rotor, and then not styrene, but we need to fluid solidify rubber and then into rings. A motor here, we just need some iron lathe, copper wire, and tin cable, which we can do, and then also magnetic iron rod. And then also we should craft them in an assembler. And then we basically have that right here. And then we also need a storage bus. This is where we need some lapis now. So basically all of this guy here. But yeah, I would say we see you on the next episode, and bye bye.